In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem with BB falling out of the barrel. It is actually not a problem, but let's get started. Okay, so you load your magazine with BBs, you charge it with gas, and then you wanna shoot. What do? You load it, you put a BB in, and it falls out of the barrel. That's happening because the hopper bucking is not putting pressure onto the BB, meaning the TDC screw is not adjusted properly. What do? You just take your Allen key and you just tighten the screw on the top a little bit, the TDC screw. It's right this one in the front, just in case you are wondering. All right, now let's try again. I load the BB and the BB is not falling out. And now I can simply shoot just like it should. Then I'm gonna adjust the hop up to the correct trajectory that I want, and that's it. That's how you fix the problem with the BB falling out of the barrel. Just put a bit more pressure onto the hopper bucking.